Okay, you guys, come along with me. We're going to go look at new product in the warehouse, and this is just a little sneak peek of how we shop here. Oh, we need to clean up in the warehouse. Macy's pulling orders down through here. We'll have all this cleaned up, but we're going to come to this side. So, new product that we have. These just came in. I don't even know. I think they might have just got these on the website. Look at that ball. We have that in red, and we have that in white as well. Okay? Coming on down. I did not even know that we had this. We have this in a silver too. Lindsay's the one that pointed this out to me the other day. Might be seeing something like this in one of her kits. Look at this dog planner. Make an arrangement in the top of that. I've got to do that before long, Tiffany. So we have all of these planners. Look at this little compote bowl for an arrangement. I believe we might have a Cara or a Lindsay that's going to be doing that. Love these lanterns right here. This is new product. I'm going to probably put a nativity or do some arrangements in that. And those apples that we were talking about earlier, here's the apples. So gingerbread. Okay, this is the goods, you guys. Look at the greenery. If you're looking for some greenery, you better get it now because it will sell out, okay? Look at this. It's not flocked. It's more of a frosted. Berries, berries, berries. Love berries. Love berries. Oh, y'all, all of the ornament balls. Look at that chocolate on there. Look at the green. And I tell you, doing a chocolate and a green tree would be beautiful. We've got it in red as well. These are beautiful balls. These are styrofoam. So if you wanted to pick them and actually use them in an arrangement, you could pick these too because they're styrofoam. Beautiful pieces. Look at this pine cone. I might have used this on a tree, but look. Not only do we have that size, we have two sizes, a large and a smaller one. This, you can actually smell the cinnamon on this. You can smell the cinnamon on this. I was using it the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, you can smell the cinnamon on it. Berries. Finials. Did someone say they needed to decorate their store or their house with some large finials? We have all the colors in the large finials. Look at these magnolia leaves. Sage green in the magnolia leaf or mint green. We have silver. We have the brown. Oh, disco balls. Look at the disco balls. We have these in all sizes. Look at that red disco ball. Love that. Did someone say gingerbread? Gingerbread man? Love gingerbread man. Okay, these are a fan favorite so far. Just got these in. Fan favorite. Designer favorite. Love those. And for all your red and white, look how cute. More balls. Look at the Merry Christmas gingerbread. Look how cute that is. Okay, more berries. More balls. All your pastels. All your candies. More greenery. Look at this flocked greenery with the berry and the pine cone on it. Look how thick that is and how much. Real Touch, flock berry, the Jingle Bell one. We're going to see that in a little bit. Look at this new. Oh, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at all of these balls in all the sizes. Lavender. And if you like a little bling in your Halloween, we've got this coppery orange ball that's super cute. We have the yellow, the lavender. We have these lacquered balls. This is the blue lacquer ball. We have the blue and the white back here in it. The gold with the glitter on the inside, not on the outside. It won't come off on you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And look at this coppered glitter ball. Fine glitter coppered ball. Love that. If you're looking for wreaths, our restock on wreaths are in. We have our evergreen wreath. If you'll look it up, we got it changed to evergreen. It's the Canadian pine wreath. So if you're looking for that everyday evergreen wreath in a 24-inch, we do have that. This is our Colorado spruce. We have our swags. This is our 32-inch swag. So if you're wanting something a little larger in the evergreen, we have the long needle swag. So if you're wanting to do a tabletop piece or a mantle piece and you want to lay it down, I have had people take this and use it on a door like this, but it is a tabletop piece. This is called the swag. And this one right here is the long needle Christmas swag. Okay, so if you're looking for that evergreen, here's your 24-inch evergreen wreath. This is just their basic wreath that you're going to add mesh and all the things to. This right here is the one that you're going to look for, and it is called the Canadian pine, or the 24-inch evergreen Canadian pine is how you're going to look it up. Now look at these finials. Someone said finials last year. We brought all the finials in. And they're great prices, you guys. Great prices. If you want to get a jump start on 4th of July, red and silver sequin. We've got more lavender that is very pretty. Maybe you want a heart. You know, I did those 2 turtle doves last year. It's cute in that. This would be cute. You want to get that, how you want to get that Valentine's started early? Look at these balls. I'm telling you, if you want the different, we've got it. This right here is called flocked. It is that fur on it. It almost looks like the green monster stuff. We do have it in the green and we have it in the red. We've got the moss green, the candy canes. We haven't done our celebrate tree, but you'll see this when it comes celebrate time. But this would be pretty for Halloween. You want to do a Halloween tree or a Halloween wreath? Get that. Oh, look at these new sprays. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? There's gold. There's the turquoise color. Love this. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Just take it out of the bag. It felt just as pretty. Look how pretty. Here's that ball, that finial. Look how pretty that finial is. You might see this in... Okay, we're going to have to go to the other side. You guys, okay, the other new product that we have is this new Halloween product. You've got to see it. Some Christmas mixed in with it. Look at this skeleton that says beware. His eyes light up. Great prices on this. So go and check it out. It all ships. Every bit of this ships. So if you're looking for some nice Halloween pieces, you want to get on that right now. Okay, this piece right here, he is like, I'm going to say he's like 30 inches tall. I'm not real sure, but he looks like it. His eyes light up. He's a jack-o'-lantern. He is a beautiful piece that you can set on your table. He looks gorgeous. If you wanted to do an arrangement on the top of him, you could. He's only like 48 bucks, and his eyes light up. He's going to come shipped to you with this plastic on him, and he has a molded foam around him. So when you get this piece, you can get it shipped to you, and it ships wonderful. It's a great piece, great prices on this. And not only that, we have so much more right here. We have a gold and white resin nutcracker that is fabulous. Tiffany, can you come over here and look? Look at him. Look at him. Is he not gorgeous, y'all? And he ships and he lights up. But all these little bulbs right here light up. Oh, he is fabulous. So new product. There's also new Halloween right here. Witch's Brew. All of the lights light up. He's got a hat on the top of him. So some really cool Halloween and Christmas products just dropped, probably in the system as we speak right now, getting that stuff put in. So shop that Halloween and that Christmas, and it's called lighted pieces. Just look that up under our Halloween and our Christmas pieces. Some great items. Hey, you guys, look at this finial daubler. It's glass. It comes in a molded piece. Look how tall it is to go on a tabletop. It lights up to 20 bucks. Beautiful. No, 25. 25 bucks. 25 bucks for this beautiful piece. Check it out, tmigifts.com.